Hey everybody, Captain C.A. Richardson here from Flats Class YouTube. Today, as you can see, I'm on the water and I've got flooded grass in here, and I want to explain how this lure is one of the best ones you can fish in this scenario. Stay tuned. So what makes this willow blade aqua dream spoon so effective when you're fishing flooded grass is the fact that 90-pound wire right in front of the hook point, and the fact that this spoon kind of turns and rotates through the grass. It literally swims through the grass. So when I get in tough conditions like this where the grass gets flooded, I see the mullet chopping in the grass, this is one of the ideal lures to throw. I throw this over oyster as well, and it does a great job. I'm able to cast it into the thickest part of the grass and reel it right through. I'm throwing this on a medium heavy action rod, so I'll have some hook setting power. And I've got 30-pound leader just because we're in here. If you feel something hanging up just a little bit, just shake the tip of the rod and then let it settle down in the grass again and then start swimming it. Because oftentimes you'll pick up a little bit of moss, and that little bit of moss will bring the spoon to the top of the surface. But if you're patient, just shake the tip a little bit, let it sink down, then you can pick the cadence right back up. But I can't tell you how many times we're able to pick through this grass and catch redfish that are swimming in the mullet schools that are in this stuff. It's one of those really beneficial tips on high water. I hope you enjoyed this tip, and I hope it puts more fish in your boat like it has ours today. Until next time, Captain C.A. Richardson signing off.